Wikiprocedure.com welcomes you for another session on how to register a land or property in Karnataka. The link provided below here will help you in reaching our site wikiprocedure.com as well as the page Karnataka Register Land or Property. If you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe to us, which will help us to create more videos. In this page, we have given detailed procedure along with information and instruction for a user to complete this registration process. Also, you can see few links for external websites and forms which are going to be much useful in completing the procedure. The importance of these links will be known to you in the due course of our presentation. Also, you can use the Select Language tab provided on the top right corner with the languages to select from the drop-down menu. Please select the language of your choice to understand this procedure easily. List of items covered in this session today: need to register a property, documents required, how to apply, eligibility, validity, fees, processing time, offices and contacts, online resources and other information. Today this procedure is sponsored by wikiprocedure.com for you. Let us find the need to register a property. See, land registration is a process which gives ownership of a land which is being sold or gifted by parents or on partition based on the family property. The land registration process in India is governed by Section 17 under the Registration Act 1908, applicable to all of India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Registration of land is an important document to ascertain the title of the property. Land or property registration refers to the registration of the document, changes in ownership or other transaction involving immovable property. Whenever you purchase a land, it is imperative to get it registered with the concerned authority to ensure legal ownership and title is guaranteed, because then only if you wanted to sell the land again or if you are going for any loan to build a building, this ownership is the main document. Ownership document is the main document for approval. This helps in reducing the risk related to frauds and assist in solving disputes with ease. In addition to creation and maintenance of an up-to-date public record. Let us see the documents record. You need encumbrance certificate, that is easy. The original document bearing the signature of all parties. Challan or DD evidencing payment of full stamp duty, transfer duty, registration fee and user charges. Property card, proof of identity of both seller and buyer and also the witness. PAN card, power of attorney if a real estate agent is between seller and buyer. Aadhaar card, original ID proof and address proof to display before the registrar. Let us see how to register the land or property in sub-register office. In order to register, first point is to get the encumbrance certificate. This gives a solution that the land is in the seller's name for so many years, which he claims. So in order to get this encumbrance certificate, one has to go to the sub-register office and apply. Applicant can reach the sub-registration office by using the link provided here. The same link is provided in our page 2 under the sub-register office process. Click the link here to reach this page where you will be prompted to select the district. Please select the district. For example, we are selecting this district, and please you have to enter the first 3 letters of the street name which you remember. If you enter the road name or street name which is popular there, and you will get the related address information. Please read through and select the particular one which is appropriate for you. You will get the village name and Hubli name, and then hit search. You will get a detailed address with the of the SRO office which you are looking for, from which you can go there and do this easy. User can go to the respective sub-register office and apply for EC as per authority's advice. If the results are satisfactory, then the documentation for the registration can be started. Meaning you have to prepare this. Take help of a lawyer who will always guide you in getting the litigation-free lands with his experience, and you will also prepare a pakka document for this procedure. Procurement of stamp duty paper as per the amount arrived based on the land value, which is the benchmarked amount by the government for that particular area, has to be done. And sale deed drafting for registration should be completed so that you can register the land on that set date. the advocate or yourself can get the schedule from the registering the land, and on the scheduled date go to the registration office, meaning the buyer, seller and witness has to go to the registry office and wait for their turn. While going, please take your original ID proof and address proof, which will be verified by the registrar at the time of registration. When on your schedule, please submit your ID in original to the registrar. He will verify and he will be having one register. Please sign the register in front of him, and also you have to hand over the DD to the seller. Once the formality is done, you will be asked to give the finger impression and counter sign on the document for registering the land. Also, the Aadhaar verification and other details will be taken care by the staff at the sub-register office. So once you complete these documents, your registration process is completed. You will get the document as per the advised date. Let us see how to apply it through online. Online means it is not a complete online procedure. You will have the pre-registration done before reaching the sub-register office, meaning you will reduce a lot of time on that. Karnataka government has introduced this portal. You can reach the portal using the link provided here. So go to our page under online process. You have the link here. Click on that link, you will reach the page like this. Here we have many options like stamp duty and registration fee calculation, know your property valuation. Click on those options. Follow the screen prompt to get the details whichever you require. Otherwise, you have to register as a user first. So click on the register as new user to reach a page like this and enter all the details which are prompted, especially email and mobile ID which you have to provide should be with you. The full control of this will be with you. Use this and once you complete the registration here, then you click the activate account button to activate your account by entering the email and mobile number and the verification code and email activation link to activate your account, and then use the unlock account to unlock your account using the same. Once you've done this, please enter the requisites by using the login and password. Once you use the username and password to get into the portal, you can use the document registration option, which is listed under pre-registration data entry option, to enter the prerequisites for registration, and then please go to the please enter or select the details as per the screen prompt to reach successive pages for completing the property details for which the registration is required, and then get the approvals, upload the documents which are meant for this, and fees details you can get it ascertained from the calculation which is done online, and then book appointment for your registration process with the registration office. So all these can be made in step-by-step process to finish the pre-registration process for registering the land. Once you do this on the set date, go to the sub-register office with the seller and witness and wait for your turn. On the scheduled slot, you should produce your original ID before the register along with the DD for the said amount to buy the land to the seller. So your original ID proof, witness ID proof and the seller's ID proof all will be checked by the registrar in person, and there will be a registry which people has to sign before the registrar, and the DD has to be handed over to the respective seller, and you will be asked to give the thumb impression and also countersign the documents. All these will be taken care by the sub-register office staff, and your lawyer will be helpful in processing this, because a lawyer will be helpful in creating the document. He will be helpful in checking the litigations if any. So make sure that you have a lawyer with you for registering. So signing records, finger imprint of deed papers, Aadhaar verification will be the part of the process to complete your registration of land. Eligibility: those who has land in their name Those who are legal heirs of the deceased landowner, authorized signatory or power of attorney are eligible for this. Validity: this registration is valid till the land is sold to someone. Fees: registration fees and stamp duty are not same in all states of India. Stamp duty is established on the agreement value or the market value and may vary from property to property and place to place. EC fees, document preparation charges are the other charges incurred. Processing time: registration process at register office concludes on same day. If there was any inevitable situation, it may happen on the next working day. Preparation of document and stamp duty are exempted from this time. Offices and contacts: Sub-Register Corporate Office, Ambedkar Veedi, Sampangi Ramanagar, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Deputy Secretary to Government, Land Grants and Land Reforms, 5th floor, Ambedkar Veedi, Bengaluru 1. Landline, email ID are here provided for user interactions to clarify any doubts and complaints. Also, the contact link, as I explained earlier, will be helpful in locating the exact sub-register office concerned for your area. So, go through these page prompts and input the details as required so that you will get the exact SRO office for your need. Online resources: all these links provided here will give access to these websites which we have used so far to complete this procedure. So, understanding the importance of these sites, we have provided them as links at appropriate places to save your valuable time. Other information: in any case, if there is a deficit in the stamp duty, the sub-register has all the rights to reject your registration procedure and registration documents. Your original ID is required on the date of registration for verification of authenticity and will be returned on the same day. Hope this video helped you. Don't forget to give us a like and hit subscribe to our channel for creating more videos. Thank you once again for visiting wikiprocedure.com to know how to register a land or property in Karnataka.